Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
Hey everybody, welcome to Zacks' Top Stock Pick of the Week, where Brian Hayes and I will be giving you our top stock picks for the week. They share a similar theme. I don't want to ruin it for you, but I'm just going to go ahead and kick it off with my top stock pick. That is Zacks rank number one, a strong buy, Shake Shack, ticker SHAK. Let's take a look at Zacks.com and see why I like it. It is a Zacks rank number one strong buy with a Zacks value style score of F, B for growth, A for momentum to help it round out with a VGM composite score of C. It is in the retail restaurants industry, which is in the top 24% of our Zacks industry rank. So these are all good things. Last EPS surprise coming in 88% better than expectations. That provided a big boost for the stock, down from the 50s all the way up to 70. Nice little move there. Let's take a look at the detailed estimates page. Here we can see the sales or revenue growth, really strong current year, 21.32% up to a little over $1 billion. Next year, that number is expected to swell by 16% up to $1.27 billion. Translated over to EPS, there's been a lot of growth there, more than doubling EPS from last year to 13 cents. Next year's number, another 73% growth number, getting up to 22. Well, it better considering that's full year numbers, right, on a stock that's trading in the 60s. My favorite chart, though, price consensus EPS surprise chart, because you can glean so much information from such a small window. These multicolored lines represent the evolution of our Zacks consensus estimates over time. Here you can see that estimates were really high heading into 2022 and kept on creeping lower. I mean, the same thing happened last year where really high expectations and then creeping back down. So this seems to be the early MO here on Shake Shack. But there's some hope here because now, this year so far, you're starting to see that trough in those estimates and ticking higher. So if you can get that sort of pattern developing, that's exactly what you want to see from our price consensus and EPS surprise chart and could help the stock move up nicely. So there you have it for my top stock pick of the week. Brian, what do you have for it?
Thank you, Dave. My top stock pick this week is also well known throughout the restaurant space. I'm talking about the quick, casual, fresh Mexican food chain Chipotle, ticker symbol CMG. Chipotle offers a focused menu of burritos, tacos, bowls, and salads that feature free-range and hormone-free pork, chicken, and other meat products. The company has shown a commitment to using high-quality, real ingredients and classic cooking techniques and an increased focus on food safety. Chipotle has benefited from strong comparable restaurant sales growth and menu innovation. The Mexican food chain has been able to raise menu prices and has steadily increased new restaurant openings with nearly 3,200 restaurants operating as of the end of last year. During the first quarter of 2023, Chipotle opened 41 new restaurants. It continues to expand with Chipotlane, a motorized drive-through lane, which has been a key catalyst in bolstering new store sales, margins, and returns. The company has zeroed in on expanding its digital program, redesigning its online ordering site to allow for meal customization and collaboration with established delivery providers, which includes partnerships with Uber Eats and Grubhub. So that's a bit about the company's background and services. Let's shift gears a bit and look at CMG's industry group. Digging a bit deeper, Chipotle is part of the Zacks retail restaurants industry, which is currently ranked in the top 24% out of approximately 250 industries. Because it is ranked in the top half of all Zacks ranked industries, we expect this group to outperform over the next 3 to 6 months. This industry has performed very well, up over 14% year to date, handily outperforming the S&P 500, and has really come on in the last month or so. And take a look at all of these Zacks rank number 1 and 2 stocks. within this industry group. This serves as another confirmation signal that this industry is a great place to be, as stocks in the industry are witnessing positive earnings estimate revisions, which our research has shown to be the most powerful force impacting stock prices. Quantitative research studies suggest about half of a stock's future price appreciation is due to its industry grouping. In fact, the top half of Zacks ranked industries outperforms the bottom half by a factor of more than 2 to 1. By targeting stocks contained within leading industry groups, we can dramatically improve our odds of success. And moving to our snapshot page here, notice that Chipotle is a Zacks ranked #1 strong buy stock and boasts a top A mark in our Zacks style score growth category, indicating further upside is likely based on promising sales and earnings growth metrics. Back in April, the company reported first quarter earnings of $10.50 a share, an 18.11% surprise over estimates. Chipotle has delivered a 4.71% average earnings surprise over the last 4 quarters. So they've been consistently beating earnings estimates, and the stock price is reflecting this. And take a look at this recent trend for CMG. The stock price is up over 53% this year and recently broke out to all-time highs. Only stocks in very powerful uptrends are able to make this type of price move. And this really checks off another box that points to the potential that the bear market lows from last year are in. You don't normally see stocks like a Chipotle breaking out to new all-time highs when an ongoing bear market is still lingering. Analysts covering the company are in agreement in terms of revisions and have been raising estimates across the board. The full year EPS estimates have been increased by 6.09% in the past 60 days. The 2023 Zacks consensus EPS estimate now stands at $43.90 a share, reflecting potential growth of nearly 34% relative to last year. It's exactly the type of trend we want to look for when narrowing down our list of potential stocks. So it's obvious the growth is there and looks set to continue. So Chipotle, ticker symbol CMG, is my top stock pick of the week. Make sure you subscribe to get all of our top stock picks. We bring them to you here each and every week on Zacks.com. From Dave and I and everyone here at Zacks, thank you for watching. Tune in next week for more of our top stock picks.